My name is Danielle and I am a tutor here on Cambly Kids. Today, you will be learning about school subjects. There are so many subjects taught in schools all over the world. But if you are in kindergarten or in elementary school, these are the subjects you most likely will be taught: mathematics or math, science, social studies, language arts, and music and arts. Mathematics or math is all about numbers and how they work. In math class, you will learn how to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know how to count to 10? What about 20? What about 50? What about 100? Well, in mathematics or math class, you will learn how to do just that. Your math class also teaches you how to add numbers, like 1 plus 2, or 2 plus 3, or 3 plus 4. Do you know how to add 1 plus 2 together? If you said 3, you are correct because 1 plus 2 equals 3. You will learn how to add more numbers and combinations of numbers in your math class as well. You will also learn how to subtract numbers from each other, like 5 minus 2. Do you know what 5 minus 2 is? If you said 3, you are correct because 5 minus 2 is 3. In your math class, you will learn how to subtract more numbers and number combinations such as this. In elementary school, you will also learn all about science. Science is the study of the world we live in and the life in that world, like you and me. Life is so beautiful and so is the world. And in your science class, you will take the time to observe all of the amazing things that go on in your body, in the world, how chemicals react with each other. You'll get to experiment and form conclusions on how things work in the world and in life. Social studies is all about learning the world that you live in and the governments that you operate under. In social studies, you will learn about the history of the world and its various different countries. You will also learn about the different types of governments. In your social studies classes, you will look at some really awesome maps and you will learn about historical events that happened a long time ago. And not only will you learn about history, you will learn about current events that are happening right now. In language arts class, you will learn how to read and write. You will also learn how to communicate with the different people around you, like your family, your friends, and your teachers. Here at Cambly, we help you learn how to read so that you can become a better writer. We also teach you how to speak English so you can become a better communicator. In elementary school, you also get to learn about music and art. Did you know there are so many different types of music all across the world? And the people that create art are called artists. Did you know people who create music, pictures, drawings, art, paintings, crafts, all of the things and experiences that you have are created by artists? In your music and arts class, you will learn all about the history of music and what art is. For those who are not familiar with Cambly Kids gives you instant access to kid-friendly native English speakers just like me. Ask your parents to schedule a lesson with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.